Good morning, students. In last classes we learn and discuss about circle equations and different forms of the circle equation. So in this video we solve the problems. First of all, find the equation of the circle with center 1, 4 and radius 5. Circle equation with the center 1, 4 and radius 5. In geometry, first of all, please read the question carefully and what is given and what is find. Find the equation of the circle with the center 1, 4 and radius 5. In this problem given center and radius. Center and radius is given in this problem and find the circle equation. So first of all we write the given forms. Given center is 1, 4 and radius 5. That means 1, 4. Here center we take minus g comma minus f or h comma k or h comma k. First of all we write the required equation of the circle. Required equation of circle. Required equation of circle. Required equation of circle is either we write x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 or x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. These two are the same forms, but in this problem they given center and radius. This is the form. First of all, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Where firstly we find the circle equation, then we write this type of form: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Substitute the center and the radius in this equation. So that is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 5 square. This is the circle equation. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 5 square. Then expand this: x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 equal to 25. So that is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y, 17 minus 25, 1 plus 16, 17, and 17 minus 25. 17 minus 25 means that is minus 8. Minus 8 equal to 0. So circle equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the circle equation and this is the general form of the circle equation. Then expand this equation, then we get the general form. So circle equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the circle. Here they gave center and radius. Center is 1, 4 and radius is 5. They given center and radius, then we write the circle equation as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. And second problem, find the center and the radius of the circle. Find the center and radius of the circle. First of all write given circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. This circle equation is in the form of general equation of the circle. Then we know that equation of circle or general form of the equation of circle. Equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the given circle equation. This is the general form of the circle equation. Then we compare it: x square plus y square, then 2 equal to 2g, that is equal to 2g equal to 2, and minus 4 is equal to 2f, that is 2f equal to minus 4, and plus c and minus 4, that is plus c is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 4. Here 2g is equal to 2, then g is equal to 1, and f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 4, already right. Then the center of the circle is minus g comma minus f, that is minus 1 comma plus 2, minus 1 comma plus 2. We know the formula of radius, that is root of g square plus f square minus c. Then substitute the value of g square plus f square, g value, and f value, c value. G value means here 1, already minus 1, minus g is equal to minus 1. Substitute any of these g's. We have whole square, then minus 1 whole square and 2 whole square or minus 2 whole square, plus 1 or minus 2, that is minus c, minus of minus 4. Take care about minus c, that is root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to root 9, radius equal to 3. Then center is minus 1 comma 2 and radius equal to 3. Okay, next problem, third one. Find the center and radius of the circle. In second problem and third problem is same, but the here circle form is here x square coefficient and y square coefficient equal to 1. Here x square coefficient and y square coefficient equal to 3. Then x square coefficient and y square coefficients are not equal, then that equation is not a circle. If circle is equal, circle means ఏంది x square coefficient and y square coefficients are not equal, then that is not a circle, then that equation is not a circle equation. Circle equation means the x square coefficient and y square coefficients is must be equal. First of all, we write given equation. Given equation E of circle is, given equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. We know the general form of the circle equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. In the general form, the x square coefficient is 1. So we divide 3 with this in this equation, divide with 3. So we get x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4 by 3y minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Then we get the general form of the circle equation, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4 by 3y minus 4 by 3 equal to 0. We know, right? We know that general form of circle equation, or we know that circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. For center and finding the radius, center and radius, we compare these two equations, x square and y square. 2g is equal to minus 2, 2f equal to 4 by 3, c is equal to minus 4 by 3. And we have g is equal to minus 1 and f is equal to 2 to get cancelled, that is 2 by 3, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar, so 2 by 3, c is equal to minus 4 by 3. So center is minus g comma minus f, that is 1 comma minus 2 by 3. So center is 1 comma minus 2 by 3. Now we find radius. Radius formula, that is root of g square plus f square minus c, that equal to g equal to either write minus 1 or 1. So that is minus 1 square, f equal to 2 by 3 whole square. Here there is a square, so we write g or minus g, we get the same value. Minus c means minus of minus 4 by 3. Take care about writing of the minus c, that is equal to root of 1 plus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 3. That is root of, we get the 9 LCM, that is the 9 plus 4 plus 12, that is equal to 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 12, 25, root of 25 by 9, that is equal to 5 by 3. Center is 1 comma minus 2 by 3 and the radius is 5 by 3. In this class, we write the center is h comma k and radius is r, then the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. We give here given the circle equation, then find the center and radius. The circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then we write center as minus g comma minus f and radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Copy these problems in your notes. There is same problems in exercise more than 10 or 15. This type of problems we solve this in future classes.